Diary. The new Ultimate Mecha Strike game is finally out! I've been waiting for it for so long! I wanted to ask Dad to try it out with me since we always have so much fun playing video games. But he has a ton of work at the bakery today.
Last lap!
Maybe I should ask Max. I like Max. True, sometimes he does have a strange way with words.
Of course you're my best friend. I'm 100% affirmative, but I am also 98.2% positive the teachers are not ready for this advancement of evolution.
His best friend is in his school bag?
Yeah, Tiki, totally strange. But at least with Max, you're sure everything's 100% accurate. Besides, he's a great friend. Just look at him and Kim. He's his love coach.
Valentine's Day, online shopping sites, this particular jewel was ranked highest in popularity.
His living encyclopedia.
Piece of meat it's eating!
Feline species requiring the strength to run at speeds in excess of 60 miles per hour.
And the only one who can talk some sense into Kim when he comes up with another one of his ridiculous challenges.
I'm obviously the better looking one. Hey, kitty, how about a little race with me, huh? Last one's a rotten egg!
Let's see, with a 6 feet per second wind behind you and the sun at 45 degrees to the northeast, I don't think you'd be a rotten egg.
Plus, Max is super good with technology. He even built himself a mega cute robot friend.
Hello, my name is Farkon.
And above all, Max loves video games just as much as I do. True, he doesn't like losing, but it's only because he's an awesome player. The two of us are an unstoppable team, kind of like video game superheroes. I wonder if we'd make an equally amazing team fighting real-life supervillains. Anyway, in the meantime, I know that I can count on Max to help me crush virtual robots. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call him. I'm sure it'll be lots of fun. Goodbye for now, dear diary.